Hello, welcome to Easy IL, and today we look at the tables. Today is lesson number 6, and this is the table that we look at today. So this table is different from lesson 5. This table we have like the number changing over time. So in lesson number 5 you have the number, you compare the number in just in 1 year. So today we look at the number, but the number changing over time. Okay. The topic for today is the table below. So the amount of waste reduction in millions of tons in 6 different countries over the 20-year period. And before we continue, I'm going to remind you the structure that we use. For introduction, 1 sentence, overview, 2 sentences, detailed paragraph, 3 or 4 sentences, sometimes 4, sometimes less than that, put in 5 or 6 numbers. Okay, so now we're going to start to write our introduction. For introduction, it's very easy. You just paraphrase the topic, and then you have the introduction. The table, we're going to use the table. Shows, compares the amount of waste reduction. We can use waste reduction. In 6 different countries, we use 6 nations. Okay, in the 20-year period, we can say in different years. Okay, so now we got the table compares waste reduction in millions of tons in 6 nations in 3 different years. Okay, that is introduction. For the overview, again, if we have a table, we'll look at column and row to see the highest, lowest number. And because this is changing over time, so we also look at the trend. Okay, we look at the column first. This column, this number is highest. This column, same. This column, the same. So you can easily see like the US were highest in on 3 years. Again, this one is lowest. The number here is lowest. The number here is lowest. Lowest. So in different years, the nation that has like the number is lowest is different. So we don't want to talk about the lowest. So now we look at the trend. We have islands, the number increase, Japan increase, Korean decrease, Poland increase, Portugal increase, and US increase. So we only have like Korean decrease. So only Korean decrease in our second sentence. So we have the overview overall. So we have the overview right here. Overall, the US reduced the large amount of waste on 3 years, and we use this process to connect to the second sentence. It is also noticeable that Korea were the only country that cut its waste output. So instead of use waste reduce, the amount of waste reduce, we can use like waste output. So now we go into lay out our body 1, body 2. Okay, so we have like island, the number goes up, Japan go up, Korea go down, Poland go up, Portugal go up, and US go up. If you look at the number, you can see Korean is the only country that number is decreased, so we have to put it in 1 body. And if we look at other countries, you can see Ireland, the number increase is higher, like from 0.6 to 5, probably over 8 times. Okay, so we so in 1 body 2, we write about Ireland, Korea. Or body 1, we can try Ireland, Korea, and the rest of the other country we put in 1 body. Okay. So because it is the table with the number changing over time, so we go into talking about the trend. The number increase from this number to this number, Japan also, Poland and Portugal. So instead we say the number increase from 2 to 5, we can say it's increased by 3, and the same with this number. In body 2, you can see island, the number increased 5 times. from 0.6 to 5 in, and career industry from 31 to 19. Okay, so this is the layout that we, and now we move on, and again now we're going to try the body one. So we can begin with between 1980 and 2000, waste reduction in the US grows from 131 to 192 million tons. Okay, because with the number in the past, so we use a past tense. Okay, continue. Similarly, Japan saw a significant increase in the waste output. Instead, we use waste reduction, we use waste output from this number to this number. And now we can combine the two sentences into one sentence right here. During the same period, the amount of waste produced in Poland and Portugal climbed by 2.6 and 3 million tons respectively. Okay. And again, I'm going to have a whole lesson on how to combine the two sentences and how to look at on the number here, and we're going to write into a paragraph. And now move on. Body 2. So you can see to begin body 2, you can use the phrase, the trend. Okay, that we do in the trend for Ireland and Korea will noticeably different. You can copy this structure over here to start the second body paragraph. Okay, in Ireland's waste reduction grow more than 8-fold. Okay, instead of 8 times, you can say 8-fold. Like 4 times, you can say like 4-fold. 5 times, 5-fold. 6 times, 6-fold. From only 0.6 million in this year to 5 million in the year 2000. Okay, by contrast, because the number of island increase, the number of Korea decrease. So we use by contrast. There was a significant decline in Korea waste output. And again, you don't want to replace waste reduction, you use waste output from 31 million ton to 19 million ton. So, and this is our entire paragraph. So you should write this down in your notebook and read this a few times so that you understand how we write the introduction, how we write the overview, and how we can pick out the number, and how we can construct our body 1, body 2. So again, after I finish on the wrap, I will have a whole lesson talking about the paragraphs, talking about the structure, and talking about the way that we write in more detail. Okay, so I'll see you again in another lesson. So hopefully you enjoy my video. So if you like my videos, give me a like or some comments. Thank you very much. You have a good day.